specially made for measuring antenna counterpoises. No, just joking. I want to talk to you about the DeWalt Laser Measure. It's a DW040HD, specially designed for measuring antenna counterpoises. Okay, so firstly, this is not a product review per se, but I have in my toolbox a laser measure it's got to be 10 times the size of that. So the laser measure in my toolbox is approximately that size. So which would you rather carry in the toolbox? So this little beastie here, I think it's 20 metres it measures to. We can get the spec of it in a minute. But for what I've been using them for in the past, very loosely related to ham radio, was actually measuring counterpoise radials for a reasonably long room. And I would get my kid to stand with one foot on the cable up by the wall, and I would retract back a retractable ruler, whatever you call those things. Anyway, I would get my kid to stand at the wall with one foot on a retractable ruler and one foot on a cord, and I would pull back to the point to cut. So this little thing, as you can see, it's what, let's measure it, 60 mil, 60 by 30 roughly. It's incredibly small, and the accuracy on it that I've just tested is very good. So there is a ruler, 30 centimetres at that point. You literally just press the button on and it shines a laser mark to the far side, and you're measuring from this surface here, in this case to the side of this box. Can we see? Probably not. But if I bring this back here to the 30 mil point, thank you for the motorbike there. If I bring this back to the 30 centimetre point, just tap the button, it will measure. That's given it in feet. It's exactly 1 foot, which would be right. Right, 3 seconds on the button there. It changes it to metres. So every time you press the button for 3 seconds, you can cycle through feet and inches, metres. So let's position it there again. Press the button for the laser. Press the button once more, which turns the laser off and gives you the measurement. And there she is, 30 centimetres, 0.8 or 0.308 metres. I would say that's pretty dang accurate, and certainly more accurate enough that you need to measure radials out on the floor, which is what I've partly been using mine for. Obviously it's used in constructional type projects, but it's great for radio measuring things like wires. What a nifty little device, eh? Space saver. That is just, well, I can't believe it. In your toolbox, that is like no space at all compared to, say, a multimeter or a conventional laser measurer. So it's a DeWalt DW040HD. I've got no connection at all, just thought I'd share, because the thing's like 35 bucks Canadian. Cheap as chips.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.